How are we doing, folks? James Starr here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today this absolutely stunning 141D BMW 4 Series 420D M Sport Coupe. Let's take a quick look around her. Up front you have the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with silver trim, the M Sport aerodynamic body kit, the front parking sensors. From around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging, the high gloss black trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top. Coming around to the back, you have the BMW 420D badging, the rear LED tail lights, the rear parking sensors, and the automatic trunk. You also have collapsible rear seats and the first aid kit as well. She comes in the ethereal blue metallic paint finish. Let's take a quick look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 420D. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the multifunctional BMW M Sport steering wheel, the BMW teleservice controlled by the BMW iDrive system that allows you to access such features as radio, media, telephone, sat navigation, connective drive, and many other extras. The interior comes in a beige Dakota leather with a platinum trim finish. Fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, electric mirrors, heated seats, air conditioning. You have the automatic transmission, the front and rear parking sensors, as I said, the sports mode, sports plus mode, comfort mode, and an eco pro mode. You also have the keyless push button start ignition, the CD player, the DAB tuner radio, and many other extras. Now, like I said, folks, this was just going to be a quick look around this 141D BMW 4 Series 420D M Sport Coupe. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.